Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi everybody, how you doing today? Happy Wednesday. It's day 79 of the Quarantine Gardeners.
And that's us, if
That's
you don't
us.
know. So this is our daily video log of us getting things done in our yard. Today we're in somebody else's yard, but we're still under quarantine in this state. Maybe you can get some ideas from us, maybe some inspiration. We hope so.
And thank you for subscribing if you already have. We really appreciate it. And if you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell right next to it and you'll get notified as soon as we post.
So guys, today we're at somebody else's property. We're pruning pampas grass. Now, pampas grass is a huge grass. It blooms every year. It's a perennial and it gets pretty big. So this is a little off season. We're a little late on getting it pruned back, but these are really big. We'll show you here in a minute. So we need to get them back under control. They don't look good at all.
We're gonna prune it and you'll get to see how we take care of it.
So here's our pampas grass. You can see we've got the old blooms here. Some still have the bloom on them, some are gone. When you're going through and you're gonna cut these and you're gonna prune these and shape these, first go through with the set of loppers and cut all these down here. Basically, cut it down here. These manual head shears are not gonna cut through these inflorescence stalks, or these main flower stalks. They're too thick, they're too tough. So you need the loppers to do that first, then you can use the manual head shears. So guys, there you have it. You can see behind us what it was before and now what it is.
Pro tip for those of you that are about to do this, make sure you wear long sleeves and gloves. That's kind of a given, but long sleeves for sure because the blades of the grass are really sharp. And even with long sleeves, you might feel a little bit of it through, your clothes.
Yep, you'll feel that tug and it's like razor sharp.
Yeah, it's razor sharp.
So wear long clothes, wear protective gear.
And make sure your tools are really sharp. We noticed towards the end of our pruning session that our head shears were getting really dull. So we went ahead and finished it just because we wanted to push through, but we probably should have stopped and sharpened them up.
So guys, leave us comments down below or any questions you might have. Give us that thumbs up so we know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our newest videos.
And we hope that video about pruning pampas grass was helpful for you, and thank you for watching, and we'll be back tomorrow with another new project.
Yep. Until then, guys, stay safe. We're all in this together. We're going to get through it.
And we'll see you tomorrow, everybody. Bye.
Bye-bye.